Hey friends, in this video I'm teaching you how to preserve your press by wrapping your hair. So let's jump right into it. So today I'm going to be using a paddle brush. You can also use a wide tooth comb. The first thing you want to do is brush your hair in the way that it goes. So the front forward, the back backwards, and the sides to the side. And then you can pick either side that you want to start your wrap. I am wrapping it towards my right, but you guys see it as my left. So what you begin to do is just wrap the hair around in a circle. Just take little parts at a time, little sections at a time, and what you'll be doing is using your hand to hold your wrap as you swing the hair around. And once you wrap your hair around, I like to add 2 pin curl clips just to keep it secure. And feel free to add more if necessary. And now that we have our wrap secure, I'm going to be using a square scarf. I'm going to fold it in half into a triangle, and I'm going to lay the longer edge to the front of my hair with the triangle in the back. And then I'm going to go in and tie my scarf a little snug, but not too much you're getting a headache. After you tie your scarf, I like to wrap it around just to make sure all the hair is going in the same way, and it allows me to gently slide my clips up. I go in and do the final touches on my scarf, make sure nothing's hanging out, and that's it. And so the very next day, once I got my glam going, I'm going to spin my scarf the same way I did just to reveal the wrap, and then I'm going to go in with that same paddle brush. It's no rhyme or reason. You style your wrap however you want to style it. The main thing is just being able to preserve your hair. We're not going into 2021 wasting no money, okay? Once you get your hair done, you want to maintain it, and this is how. And I also have a video on how to do pin curls. I will link that below because that is also very helpful. And so I'm not going to put anything on my edges because I am wrapping my hair and I don't want it to get greasy. So I like to add a little hairspray to a comb and just smooth my edges that way. And as always, if you find this video helpful, be sure to thumbs it up. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, meet me down in the comment section. I will be in the back by the snacks. And God willing, I will see you guys in my next video in the new year. Happy holidays, and thank you so much for your support.